Hey lovelies, sandraivyrose here. Well, welcome to my channel. In this week's video, I'm so excited to share with you my 4 DIYs based on Valentines. And this is one of a series of videos. So be sure to stay till the end to see how I put everything together. For DIY number 1, we're making a cake tray with a fake cake on it. We're using a glass champagne from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to peel off the label, and then we're going to start painting it to start our decoration. The color theme will be a light pink, and I'm using 2 pink colors from Folk Art, and they are Parisian pink and wicker white. And I'm going to be mixing those 2 colors together to get the baby pink that I need. Hey lovelies, well welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel we are going to be making DIY projects, home decor, and beauty. So if you guys are into high-end looking projects but budget friendly, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. As you can see, I'm making a heart-shaped design in front of the glass. It doesn't have to be perfect because I will be using gems to outline the heart. Now to get rid of the brush mark, I'm using this little dabbing sponge from Dollar Tree to give it some texture, and that should help it out. And now I'm going to be using some fine glitter which I got from Walmart. I'm mixing the white with the light pink, and I'm going to be dabbing the glitter right on top of the paint to add to this texture and to make it more sparkly. Next, I'm going to be using the pink Starburst gem stickers from Dollar Tree to add to my design. As you can see, I'm starting to outline the heart with the gems. Hey lovelies, if it's your first time stopping by my channel, well thank you. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I have more to show you guys. For this series is our Valentine's series theme. I will be making several videos, so please be sure you're subscribed and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly uploads. And all my returning subscribers, well thank you always for watching my videos. I'm going to paint the rest of the glass and then continue to apply the glitters on top of it. Now it's time to make the bows by using the tools that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be applying it to the glass. So after folding my little strip a couple of times, I'm going to use a small cardboard I had at hand to wrap the tool around it. After you wrap it around a few times, you're going to need a little piece, a small other piece to make a knot in the middle so you can make your bow. As you can see here, I'm cutting out the thin strip, and I'm going to remove this from the cardboard, and then I'm going to be tying it in the middle. Hold the middle tight and pinch it, and now we're going to tie the thin strip in the middle to form a bow. You can tie several knots to secure it, and then we're going to use our scissors to cut the edges, and then we're going to be fluffing it out. How you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing well, and Happy New Year. I hope many blessings and everybody stay healthy and safe. We're going to be applying it onto the glass like so by using hot glue. Next, we're going to take a Dollar Tree clear tray glass, and I'm going to bling it out on the side using the diamond wrap, and then I'm going to hot glue the top part of the glass onto our champagne glass. Okay, so we're going to put the cake tray aside, and now we're going to be working on our fake cake. I'm using mostly Dollar Tree items. I got these foams. They come in a pack of 2, and I have a total of 4 from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using this spray and hot glue to attach the foams right on top of each other. Stack them up like so. I was inspired to make this cake by another YouTuber. Her description down below. Next, we're going to be using the light spackle from Dollar Tree, and this will be our frosting. I'm going to be applying some paint. You can mix any paint color you want, and then once you have the color you desire, we're going to be applying the frosting onto the cake. And I'm just using a popsicle stick as my spatula to apply the cake frosting. Once you finish frosting the cake, you're going to let it dry. And I smoothed it out because I wanted a smoother texture. But I end up using a different color frosting, not the light pink but white, because I end up dropping the cake before it was dry. You'll see it in the video. Okay, so I put the cake stand on a riser, which I made in a previous video. I could link it in the description box. And this is the front and the back of the champagne glass, 2 different designs. And as you can see here, I changed out the frosting to white. And I apply some fake strawberries from Hobby Lobby. For DIY number 2, I'm making fake fondant desserts. I'm using this mold I got from Hobby Lobby. And how we're going to make this dessert is by using plaster of Paris. And we're going to start out by using 2 scoops of the plaster of Paris. And it's really 2 parts of the plaster of Paris and 1 part water. And we're going to mix it up and apply it to our mold and to let it dry. And once our mold is dry, we're going to pop it out, and we're going to be using paint to give it the color that we desire. So for our first fondant, we're using the ballet slipper color. I have the white paint showing, but I end up not using the white paint. I end up using another paint by Waverly called Cashew, and another chalk paint by Waverly called Hazelnut for the light brown color. And we're going to continue using the light spackle from Dollar Tree to make our frosting. I did go ahead and use some Mod Podge and paint color to drip over the fondant to give it that drippy look. To fill in the hole, I used tissue paper so I wouldn't have to use so much of the frosting, as you will see in the video. I was inspired to make this dessert by other YouTubers that I've watched on YouTube, and I will link some of their channels in my description box. But this is my first time making these type of desserts, the cake and the fondants, and I'm hoping that they turn out good. Let me know what you guys think. And then to top it off, I apply some fake fruits, which I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm gonna let the frosting that I'm applying on the side dry. And once it's dry, what I did was I cut around each of the fondants and put them on a little wooden slab that I got from Dollar Tree so I can display it. Okay, DIY number 2 is done. Let me know how they turned out, being that it's my first time making it. Now we're moving on to DIY number 3, the mason jar love sign. I got this from Dollar Tree and it was in their Thanksgiving collection. I lightly sand the middle where all the glitter was, and then I'm going to be applying paint. And I'm using the ballet slipper, and I'm going to give it 2 coats. And once that's done, I'm going to be applying the diamond wraps from Dollar Tree on the top part of the jar to bling it out, like so. And then we had gotten the stencil from Dollar Tree, and we're using the Crimson Color Paint by Waverly. And I'm going to be stenciling the word love onto the jar. And let it dry. I gotten this little wooden sign from the Dollar Tree. I did go ahead and paint it this pink color, but you'll see in the video I end up changing this color back to the ballet slipper color I've been using all along. So what I did here was use some Mod Podge and some fine glitter, but I didn't like how it looked. So this is why I ended up painting it over, because it was kind of rough looking. So here I'm painting it that ballet slipper color by Waverly. And then I'm going to be reapplying glitter, but now I'm going to be using the pink fine glitter from Walmart. Okay, to outline my heart, I'm using this decorative trim. It's by the brand Simplicity. And I'm going to be using hot glue to secure it in place. And I got it from Walmart. Alright guys, DIY number 3 is complete. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, DIY number 4, the red flower vase. So we're using this glass from Dollar Tree and some red gems from Dollar Tree. And what we're going to be applying for this easy project is hot gluing it onto the glass. And then once that's done, you're going to make sure you get all the hot glue strings off. And then you can put whatever you want in the vase. For this project, I did go ahead and use some beautiful light pink or peach looking flowers to accommodate my Valentine theme. Alright, DIY number 4 is complete, but please be sure and watch till the end as I put everything together. And now the big reveal of everything put together. Alright guys, I think everything turned out beautiful. But please be sure and let me know what you guys think. Well, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below. And subscribe. I have more to show you guys. Let me know which one was your favorite. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.